API Designer now simplifies collaboration with repository-level sharing. For repositories outside the default repository, sharing is handled at the repository level. To share a repository, open the Actions menu next to the repository name. Click Share Repository. In the Sharing Repository dialog, choose the users or groups you want to grant access to. Click Share. After you share, collaborators get full access to that repository's content. They can create, update, copy, move, and delete folders, API contracts, and contract versions. They can also share and unshare the repository. Repository-level sharing gives teams a clearer, faster way to collaborate in API Designer. Talend Studio introduces a redesigned landing page that streamlines your workflow from the moment you start. You can access your work instantly with the recent and favorite sections. Your most used projects and jobs appear at the top, ready to open with a single click. You can create jobs, routes, services, metadata, and connections directly from the Create New section. You can work on data quality from the Create New Analysis section that launches profiling and analysis tools immediately. Stay informed with the What's New section, featuring monthly release videos and product updates. If you are new to Talend Studio, the Get Started section provides tutorials and training materials to help you build skills quickly. Open the hierarchical mapper directly for data transformation work, or navigate to Help Center, Community, and Academy resources from the bottom of the page. The landing page displays automatically on startup, or access at any time by clicking Help, then Welcome. A new DSQL editor is now available for the tDSQL4 JSON component. The editor provides syntax highlighting for DSQL keywords, functions, and variables. Autocompletion displays available functions and field names while editing scripts. You can use the getContextVariable function to reference context variables in your DSQL scripts. This allows you to retrieve values defined in your project context at runtime. You also have the test run functionality available. Configure sample data files, and select a test environment to execute and validate your DSQL script before running the job. Finally, you can also directly configure parameterized expressions that can be used as reference in the DSQL script. The tDQRules component now support the matches regex, the is one of, and all datetime operators. The datetime operators let you validate temporal relationships in your data, making sure events happen in the correct order and at the right time. In this scenario, we're using the isBefore operator to validate that, for every order, the placement date comes before the shipment date. If an order is shipped before it's placed, there is a data problem. We're using the tDQRules component connected to Qlik Talend Data Integration where a data quality rule has been created. In Talend Studio, once you've entered the URL, the API key, fetch the rules, and refresh the tables to associate the variables to the rule fields. Run the job and see which data is valid and invalid.